how to express ratios as equations in 86 seconds. Let's go. Believe it or not, guys, this super short question trips up almost everybody come exam day. Let's have a look. The question says, if the ratio of x to y is 2 to 3, express y in terms of x. So what we need is an equation which links y to x, and crucially, because y is in terms of x, it needs to have y as the subject. How are we going to do it? Well, this is going to be the best way. We're going to firstly rewrite our ratio. So we have that our ratio of x to y is going to be 2 to 3. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to simplify our ratio, dividing both sides of our ratio by whatever we need to until we have a 1 for our x. Now, what do I actually mean by that? So we're going to have a 1 for our x. How do we get from 2 to 1? We're going to divide it by 2. So if we're going to divide our x part by 2, we're also going to have to divide our y part by 2. So dividing 3 by 2, what are we going to get? We could write this as a fraction if we wanted to, or we could write it as a decimal. 3 divided by 2, that's going to be 1.5. Now, it's pretty clear how we get from our value of x to our value of y. If x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1.5 in this ratio, how do we get from x to y? We times it by 1.5. So we can say in our ratio then, or in our equation, I should say, that y is equal to 1.5x. How do we get from x to y? We times it by 1.5, so y is equal to 1.5x.